It's that time of year to make flavored pumpkin seeds. Today, it's sweet and spicy using chili powder and cinnamon sugar. Interested? Here we go. The best way to get the seeds out of a pumpkin is to get medieval on it. Ah! Yeah, that's a good way. Oh, that's nice. Once you have extracted all your pumpkin seeds, rinse thoroughly and get all the goo off. Take the pumpkin seeds and lay them out on a clean towel. Spread them out and just dry them off a little bit. You could probably coat them from here, but we're going to put a little spray coating on them. Spread them out really good and let them dry for a little while just to get most of the moisture off. We don't have any cinnamon sugar, so we're going to make some. It's pretty easy. It's a half cup of sugar, combined with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. We should have used a funnel. Stir it up well. We use a chopstick. It's just that easy. Preheat the oven to 375. The recipe we're using is from andreasrecipes.com. We've dried the pumpkin seeds. They're thoroughly dry and clean of all orange goo. We're dividing the seeds into 2 separate containers because we're making 2 different kinds of pumpkin seeds. We're using chili powder and the cinnamon sugar we just made. 1 cup. That's 1 cup for chili powder, 1 cup for cinnamon sugar. What are you doing?
I'm making sure this is evenly divided.
How do we know that?
As a guesstimate. We have like 3 cups, so I have to split a cup.
Okay, we tried to even out our 3 cups of seeds into the cinnamon sugar realm and the chili powder realm. Now we're going to spray with olive oil, tossing as we go. Make sure all the seeds are lightly coated.
I'm actually quite good at this. Oh, I thought I lost a seed.
For every cup of pumpkin seeds, you use approximately 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning. We like extra spicy, and we have a cup and a half of pumpkin seeds, so we're going to go straight with 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. And toss it like you did before.
If you were to do it with one hand.
Oh. But we're just going to go crazy. We're going to triple coat it. Spread your seeds out on a foil covered baking sheet. Evenly.
Here.
Repeat for your second batch of seeds. Is it easier to toss in the bigger one?
Actually, it's a lot easier.
It's a lot easier to toss in a bigger container. This is more shallow. This is bigger. Same amount of seeds. I think we need more.
Yeah.
Try to keep the seeds in the bowl. Now we're going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of our freshly made cinnamon sugar. And then toss to coat. How are we doing? All right, let's put another 1/2 teaspoon in there. We just like lots of flavor. Pour these seeds on a separate cookie sheet. Extra hands needs a little help. Not a lot of seasoning left.
Wow, you did a good job on that one.
The cinnamon sugar is finer than the chili powder, but they look both ready to go. Place in the 375 oven for 7 to 10 minutes. Which one did you put on the top? Cinnamon sugar? Set the timer for 7 to 10 minutes. We're going to go for 9 minutes. Timer went off. They look pretty golden. We're going to take them out. Oh, the steam. Pull them over here. There's the cinnamon sugar. There is the chili powder. Now for taste test. I'm gonna sit up taller than you because you're taller than me. Okay, so try one. That's good. Cinnamon sugar. I don't remember having that before. Have you? Cinnamon sugar with a chili is really good. What do you think?
Maybe sweet and spicy. No, there's a chili on
Now it's kind of grouped together.
there. Yeah.
Try a cinnamon sugar and a chili. Try 2 chilies and a cinnamon sugar. Sweet and sour. Or sweet and spicy.
Oh, you're right.
2 cinnamon sugar and a chili. That's a good mix. I like that better.
Each.
Good. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more builds and bakes and all sorts of things coming soon.